In 30 seconds, I'll teach you everything about a speed square.
We have our hip at the top, these numbers at the top, commons at the bottom. What are commons for? These numbers here are for the pitches for a rafter, as you can see here, an A12 rafter. I'll use a smaller square just to show you. So over here we have common at the bottom. I have an A12 pitch. That is 8/12 pitch. And over here I have I'll mark my pivot right there. I'll mark my 8, which is right here, and I'll pivot it all the way to the other side, this is a 12/8. And as you can see here, this is a 90 degrees. 90 degrees right there. And over here, we have a 9 5/8, 17. We're gonna go here to the hip side right here, and we're gonna go to 9 5/8, which is basically 9.5. So this is 8, 9 right here. And we're gonna shift it all the way to there and scrap. And that right there is the pitch or the angle used for the corner of the fascia where they meet, or the top of the ridge to the rafter. What do we call the top, the commons? We finish it with 12. As you can see there, 12 or 45. And on the hips, we have 17. Why is that? Because if you have 12 inches here, 12 inches here, 12 and 12, over here, you have 17. And what is that that goes across? There and there, that goes across is a hip. So a diagonal cut, a hip or a valley. This is why it has 17. This is all mathematics. 9 5/8 parallel hip cut. And this sits right here. And it sits inside the fascia. Then you have 9 5/8, 17, and the 17 5/8, 9 5/8, which is a level cut. It sits on the ridge and the rafter, and it sits on top of the fascia to the corner. And as you can see, you can add a packing here, and you can just rest it on top of the fascia.